Welcome back to All About Python. In today's video we're diving into something special. The Zen of Python. It's not just code, it's a mindset. Whether you're brand new to Python or just curious about what makes it feel so clean and readable, this short guide will walk you through the 19 guiding principles that shape Python's philosophy. Stick around to find out what it is, and how you can use the Zen to write better code from day one. Let's jump over to the command terminal and take a look. If you've watched some of our other videos, you'll know this part already. To open the command terminal on Windows, hold the Windows key and press the letter R. This brings up a small search box called Run. In that box, type CMD, just 3 letters, and then click OK or press Enter. That's it, you've opened the command terminal, and you're ready to follow along. I'm going to make the command terminal a bit bigger, just by dragging the bottom edge down and the right side out. You can do the same if you'd like, especially if it helps you see things more clearly. But don't feel like you have to, it works just fine at the default size too. If you've followed along with some of our other videos, you might remember how to get into the Python terminal from here. That's right, just type Python into the command terminal, then press Enter. This will launch the Python interpreter, and you'll see those familiar triple angle brackets. That means you're inside Python and ready to start coding. Now that we're inside the Python terminal, we're ready to import something special. The Zen of Python. This is a built-in module that shows you 19 guiding principles for writing clean, readable code. To see it, just type the word import, followed by a space, then this, like you can see me doing on the screen. Press Enter, and you'll see a short list of phrases appear. These are the Zen of Python aphorisms, simple ideas that help you write better code. Feel free to pause here if you'd like and take a closer look at the Zen of Python aphorisms. They're short, simple, and mostly self-explanatory. Each one is designed to guide Python developers toward writing code that's clean, readable, and elegant. You don't need to memorize them, but keeping them in mind as you code can really help you make better decisions. Think of them as gentle reminders of what Python is all about. One more thing I want to show you. Go ahead and open any web browser you like. Then type in this address, peps.python.org, pep-0-0-20. This will take you to the official Python enhancement proposal number 20, also known as PEP 20. It's the original source of the Zen of Python. These 19 aphorisms were written by Tim Peters to capture the heart of Python's design philosophy. An aphorism is a short, wise saying that expresses a general truth or principle. In this case, they're not strict rules, they're more like helpful reminders for writing clean, readable code. If you're curious about where the Zen came from or want to read it outside the terminal, this is the place to go. Thanks for watching this short video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials. You'll find useful links in the description below, including the Zen of Python page, beginner resources, and more ways to follow along. Got questions or your own idea for the 20th aphorism? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you come up with. Until next time, keep your code clean, keep learning, and stay Pythonic.